Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Pixel XL2 in 2021. Pixel XL2 in 2021. Oh gosh, 3 years. I remember this phone. When I bought this phone, was super excited. And actually, here in UK we have a Curry's PC World. I order it and they deliver it to my house. When I opened the phone, I was super excited because I love this phone since the beginning. And actually, it's a funny story. When I considering to buy a new phone, obviously many people they watch videos, they see comparison to see which phones are good. And thanks for MKBHD, aka Marcus Brownlee. Back in the days, I remember I was watching his review about the Pixel XL2. Actually, I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below to check it as well. So I was thinking to buy this phone or the iPhone 8 Plus, and I really was thinking, what, iPhone is much better for video, but Google, I don't know, stock Android camera was great as well. Obviously, iPhone is better on video, but camera, Google destroying basically. And it's very hard. Plus, stock Android, there's a couple of new features. Obviously, dual speakers. Nice sound. Obviously, people was complaining about the display because there were some things, the display, some blue tints here, but I didn't care. Actually, I do like the display, and still after 3 years, I still love display. But yeah, so I was thinking, should I buy the iPhone? Should I buy the Pixel? And I think I did a very good decision because this thing is great even after 3 years. There's a lot of cool features here that iPhone doesn't have. For example, the speakers are much better, I think. Obviously, the display, some people was complaining, but I'm okay with that. We have a squeeze for the assistant. This is nice. I love this feature. Even now, I still use it every day. Camera is one of the things that makes me buy this phone. And so I think I did a very good decision. I watched the video. You know what? Let's go for it. So I bought the Pixel and I still have it and I still use it. If you're watching my videos on my YouTube channels, you'll see that I post a couple of videos about this phone and I still love it even now. So 2021 Pixel XL2. Do I recommend this phone in still this day and age? I know we have a Pixel 4a, we have a Pixel 5, 5G, Pixel 6 will come probably after a couple of months. But this phone is still great and I still love it because, I don't know, I still like the design. Like I mentioned, two speakers. The design is pretty good. Obviously, we have a single camera. And something that I do like a lot is the fingerprint. The fingerprint it's on the perfect spot for me. And it's very fast, very reliable, especially now with this coronavirus situation. It's just something that I can. And the design is not for everyone, but I do like this Panda edition. Obviously black and white with the Google logo here. 6-inch display. I know the display is very good. Some people, like I said, was complaining, but yeah. So there's a lot of cool features here. So we have a stock Android, we have a great camera, we have a really good build quality, fingerprint scanner. I mean, so still after 3 years, this phone is great. Personally, for me, I skipped the Pixel 3 because I didn't like the notch. Pixel 2 XL is my favorite design, I believe. It's pretty much as it's classic design, I believe. But there's a lot of cool features, like I said. And camera, if you like to make pictures, to do pictures, if you like photography, if you like to do pictures at night, this is one of the phone that I recommend in 2021. And sometimes I feel like this camera can shoot pictures even better than DSLR. Sometimes I feel like the the quality here, it's better than DSLRs. I don't know if you agree with me, but so I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen so you can check yourself, but this thing is great. So my recommendation for 2021 is, if you're considering to buy this phone, make sure that you have a good examples. Double check the battery, double check if it's been abused. Now, personally for me, I do like to keep my phones with a screen protector, a case, because you never know. I had a bad situation with my previous phone. I remember I had a Huawei P9. I dropped it on the screen and the screen just crashed. So it just had to, I don't know. I was so crazy about this phone as well. Good phone back in the days, but so since then I said, you know what? Always I'm gonna keep screen protector in the case. And leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you use your phone naked, or do you apply screen protector in the case on your phone, because I want to see how many people are using a screen protector in the case. But like I mentioned, this phone is great, so double check. You can find a very good example on eBay. If you can find brand new one, definitely you should give it a go, because like I said, this phone is still, it's nearly 3 years old, nearly 4 years old, and the battery on this phone is still great. I still have a full day battery, which is completely crazy, and watching videos all the time, and it's a good experience, and especially the speakers are very nice, which I'll demonstrate now. I mean, I still love it because, like I said, this phone is great for a lot of different situations. So if you like camera, if you like normal design, and this phone is still fast. I didn't have any problems. Stock Android, I know Google doesn't support this phone anymore, but if you can find a very good example, definitely you should give it a go, because you don't miss a lot. And I believe this phone still will be okay for another 2 years. And definitely I'm gonna make a post, I'm gonna make a videos after a year too. But it's a great phone in 2021. Nothing bad to say, actually. Some people was complaining that they have problems with the camera. Actually, I didn't have any problems with my device. The camera on this phone is fantastic. You don't have any problems. I mean, nice shot. This thing can do a lot of nice pictures at night. Also, the portrait pictures are fantastic as well, which, I don't know, it's if you like pictures, this phone is definitely for you, because it can shoot very nice pictures. And let me know, what do you think, guys? I mean, do you still have this phone? Are you considering to buy this phone? My recommendation is, if you find a very good example, definitely should give it a go, because this phone is still great in 2021. You have a great software, stock Android, 2 speakers. You have something that, personally, one of my favorite features is to squeeze for assistant, which is great. Also, the design it's very nice, still fast camera. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, but yeah, definitely I recommend this Pixel XL 2 in 2021. So I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you think about this Pixel device in 2021. As always, I will see you in the next video.